In this video, I'm going to show you how to get API key on Google AI Studio. So this is very simple. First, you want to go to Google and type in Google Studio API key. Then you want to go to this website over here where it says Google AI Studio API key, and it is under link aistudio.google.com app API key. So just click on this, and then in here, what you want to do is, of course, sign in with Google in case you're not signed in yet over here. And then you want to press Create API Key. And then from here, as you can see, you will have to select a project from your existing Google Cloud project. So you then just want to select either your first project or the Gemini API, whichever one you want. You just want to click that and then press Create API Key in existing project. So just press that and it will start generating API key. And after that's done, you'll be able to see your API key on your screen. You'll be able to copy it and then use it for wherever you may need it. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.